Hey guys, we received these trip travel gear compression packing cubes for test and try. So these are actually a compression cubes like where you can store your clothes and try to remove their extra air to save some space and then put your stuff in. So it's just a list, packing list that usually this comes and these are the main bags. So there are two, the large cubes, two small cubes, one laundry bag and one tube cube. So you can see. So basically, the idea is like this zipper you open first and put in on your clothes. And then once everything is packed, you close this zipper to take out the extra air and so that it will get compressed. So you put in your clothes in this, and once you put your clothes in it, and then you have to again close that zipper or on the other side, like the black one and then this compress the clothes and take out the air. So say this is the laundry bag, so it can just take all your laundry stuff in and then put it and zip it. So it's a really good space saver while packing. Everything is organized. So this for your shoes or this can also be used as a tube cube for your bathing suits or anything and or socks. So I just prefer to use it for my slippers in case, but yeah, like you can use it for any other purpose. It totally depends on you, but it can save the space as well. Also, the small cubes. So same thing, like you open this big stuff and then put in the stuff, and then you close this zipper to save the space and to compress it. Quality-wise is a lightweight, waterproof, and nice material with the handles, and you can just put it on your luggage, so that is easy and good to go. So as an example, I'm just putting this in one, and then you have to close the other zipper. So this will save the space while in the luggage. So nice compression bags.